Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces on the YouTube channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about the BONOSS shoulder wheel logo kit. Let's go. A BONOSS Forged Grade 12.9 shoulder wheel logo kit includes 20-piece wheel bolts, 20-piece shells, a hex 19mm socket, 4-piece locking bolts, a lock key. The BONOSS shoulder wheel bolt adopts a 2-piece design. Show part uses high-strength aluminum alloy 7075T6, which has many excellent characteristics. There are 8 colors of the shell, which are red, gray, gold, black, purple, sky blue, deep blue, and silver. More color options. BONOSS wheel bolts are made by the forging process. The forging process is formed by continuously strong pressure extrusion, which brings excellent mechanical and physical properties to the bolt. The 12 petal shapes on the top are patterned by a large tonnage machine at one time. Ordinary forging cannot form this pattern on the hard alloy steel SCM440, which further reflects BONOSS super forging process. At the same time, the special sleeve and 4 lock wheel bolts are given to prevent the wheel from being stolen and improve safety. To give customers more peace of mind and at the same time have confidence in the quality of BONOSS products, BONOSS has fully obtained more than 66 ISO International Standard SGS TUV test reports and achieved excellent results. We believe that only high standard quality measurement and authenticity reports can meet the most fundamental needs of customers for products. If you want to get the BONOSS shoulder wheel logo kit, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.